Hello friends, welcome to Technology and You. Today we are doing the unboxing of this amazing laptop, the Asus Zenbook Duo. Let's open it. What we get over here first is the sleeve in which you can keep your laptop and carry it. And then there's another box. I think that contains the laptop. So that's it. These two things are there in the main box. Let's go ahead with the unboxing now. Let's open this beauty now. So inside the box, I think we'll check it out later. This is the laptop. Let's uncover it. It looks beautiful, sleek. Let's open it now. Wow. That's the screen pad. The laptop looks beautiful. So basically what we are getting in the box is this stand kind of a thing which you have to stick below. This will help to elevate it. Then the stylus or the pen, the charging cable, the charging brick which has a USB Type-C connector. Let's start the laptop now. Let me configure it. I'll get back to you. So friends, this was a quick unboxing of Asus Zenbook Duo 14 2021 edition. It looks beautiful. Just look at the second screen. Wow, unbelievable. So friends, subscribe and like. Thank you so much. Cheers.